insizwa niyanicasula. Nina insizwa niyancelebana. Ngiyanibuka nje manje. Niyancelebana. Nizokhuluma nje ushiphi sesihlama. Nizolawula ungizwe mchunu umsangano ogcina. Yezwa yini? Nina amantombazane lezi ifebe zenu zigqoka oBrentwood nama Omega. Ziyimpintshe kuze kuvele ibumbu ngoba zifuna ukuqhoshelana nini uthi uyasibona isibumbu sami yasibona isibumbu sami nincome mama umisusinqa kunale ntombane le eyi MC angazi i-MC omi i-host igqoka nje ama-Brentwood nani igqokise komuntu wesilisa iyo MC angikaze ngizwe niyigxeka nina insizwa mama azomahle mama azokufonela hello kodwa mama nidakwa la ngithule nginibuka nale ntombane le enekhumbi angazi nayithatha nina izincelebane ngoba nicabangela imthondo yenu eyokuthi yonke into la enicwilisa khona enifuna ukucwilisa khona nedlisa satshana niyayibungaza nisondele eduze niyikhonze nayithatha leyo ntombazana angazi umadlamini noma nayifaka kumdlalo wamanzi just because she has money muhle njengoba nisimuhle ufaka ngisho umqhele nimbungezile nimfaka la ngoba nifuna ukuthi nimdunusise nini madoda so nina nihlama nina yonke into efaka ukuqhanyelwa neqhakambisa senibanga umsindo manje ngabantu abamageys just because umuntu uhambisana nalento ongahambisani naye wena sobanga umsindo ke manje banga umsindo what nizongitshela nina ngongizwe mchunu akekho ongazi ukuthi ongizwe mchunu uyasangana ongizwe mchunu incelebani ongizwe mchunu ubanga umsindo ezintweni engenasidingo but isilo sashada uma wengane. First time in history of the Zulu nation kunesilo the royal king eshada umuntu onengane west part onengane ongizwa ngakazi asho lutho lapho wancelebana and then nizothi hey isizwe sakaZulu sifile lokho kwahamba undlokombane nje abantu they do as they please because there's no leader even the so called leader iyadwanguzela wayibona phona iRoyal King etrenda ko social media nomuntu wayo the Royal Queen iloki iposter the everyday lives of the Zulu King. Does that make sense to you? Have you ever seen other kings kwamanya ama tribes amanya ama race kuma socials njengale yethu? Then nezoba nithuli lapho nomchunu uthuli umchunu incelebane nani madoda nezincelebane undoni ugqoka ibheshu and mawumbheka uzibonisa nje eyinsizwa eshingisa kwensizwa eyini anikaze nithi nke just because unalento ngaphasi kwemlenze enifunayo nini. Indlovukazi yamaskandi umama uDr Buselaphi lokaziwa angikaze nimgxeke ngeattire yakhe nina insizwa so called insizwa ngathi ngqalabutho akatsukanga wa ingqalabutho waqala eyivukani nakeni namgxeka le ntombazane le eshayile emakhumbi ekumdlalo lwamanzi le yakadlamini just njengoba egqoka kanje njengomfana nake yini nathi inki naye ingoba nifuna ukucamela phakathi ngomathanga akhe yini ke pho izitabane ngoba nakho zingahambisani nalento enifunayo kulaba abanye nizoyibangela umsindo if ku wrong lokho abakwenzayo imvunulo lamabhesho aqoka abantu besifazane nethuleleni ngawo labo Brentwood esakhula egqoka obaba bethu bebuya koGoli beyobuya emsebenzini ngoJune anikhulumi ngani ngakho or is because nifuna ukubadonusisa itabane anikwazi ukuzidonosisa nizidonosisa ngobumnyama. If ku wrong lokhu itabane ezikwenzile ngemali yazo angazi izolo uZulu this ibheshu laba aqoka abantu besifazane nitholeleni ngizwe. Even if lawa mabheshu aqoka ama-stud kunani ihlanganaphi ama-transgender, even if they are transgender man fusekani nihlanganaphi. Musani ukhetha izinto enizoyikhuluma nina nizosimoshela idatha la nizosibangela isidini just because laba banenhlali vuthiwe nizobakhonqosela omabiyela asimabela ena ngensizwe nesivala kahlana zosikhotheni uthi wena hey asimabiyela kube wabe namasend nidakwa nakhona. Kodwa mase kuyilaba eningatholi lutho ngabo eningalangazeleli lutho ngabo senzobachaya ngemali yabo ngokuthanda kwabo ngingazodakwa nina. Ama-customs must remain customs in every situation. Imithetho ayibe imithetho no matter the situation. Ungakhethi just because ngapha uyaqhanyelwa ngala. Ngazosibangela umsindo nina. Nonsense.
Hello everybody. I know that the entire country is having a field day with what Ungizwe said, those disgusting remarks, but that's not the point of the video. The point of the video is how we are not angry enough as a community on how we continue to enable him by doing all this skits and thinking what he said is entertainment or finding humor in it. I know that as a country we laugh at everything, even in serious moments, and we find humor in everything, but unfortunately this is not the case because lezi mpilo zethu. You guys don't realize the danger, and I know that there are people that are saying we are exaggerating the danger. No. If you've never walked a mile in our shoes, you wouldn't understand. I am right about all the people that have to use public transport, where we know that emateksini it's predominantly Zulu men. There are people that listen to Ungizwe and think what he's saying is gospel. So people are going to try to prove a point at our expense. What hurts the most is that everything is happening in a month where we are supposed to be celebrating Pride, but we are dealing with homophobia. We are not angry enough as a community, and we cannot find him entertaining. It cannot be entertainment. We cannot do that. No ways. Our lives are in danger as it is. So he's adding petrol to the fuel already. Oh, listen, this is siyabaleka. Mara asikwatanga enough. Asikwatanga enough, guys. We are not angry enough. And I pray that he faces the full might of the law because whoa! Awukhohlakele lababo sile. And angazi ke ukuthi bakwateleni because mhlazana siyokhipha ilist yabantu abasidemayo niyomangala.
Ngizwe Mchunu, sicela ungizwe kahle. Uyangizwa ngizwe. Asiyindawo thina. Sizwe sikaSomizi nje asiyindawo. Wena sifela ukuthi after 9. Sifela ukuthi wena after 9 vele nje bazwa ngabe ngizwe. Siyindawo thina. Sila. Asibona sila. Na after 9 sobe sila.
Lela khehla elungungizwe. Ngicela ungizwe nje igama lakho yangizwa wena ngitsini. Mgodo wethuvi. Funa ungizwe nje igama lakho. Like uthatha nezindlebenyana zakho lezi ungilalele nanentshabenyana yakho lento kumqombothi njalo. Esizathu sakho ukuthona nje ungazikwade nje uthi ukwatelani. Ukwatelani nje sokucasula ngani thina. Sana sakucasula ngani because wonke umuntu uyazi mase siyaphilisana nje mase sithi 2101 siyaphilisana nje sibambene futhi siyathandana ke emaklub ematshwaleni mase nispank senithi ngihamba nawe ngicopha number wakho hayi wena ukhuluma into ongayazi phela wena ukhuluma into ongayazi ngiyakubona
asizukwazi into bana sisinekele uzingizwe abantu abafana noNgizwe kule generation ngelixesha asukwazi. If you are serious about doing better as a generation, asukwazi. No, I'm telling you, asukwazi. If nawe was serious about creating a safer space for abantwana abakhula ngoku, awuzukwazi. Akukho ndoda, I can tell you now for free, akukho ndoda straight, comfortable with sexuality yayo, engena kwi-internet, ithethe nge-gays, izibheshe, kanti i-right yona. Akhona enye. It means loo ndoda ilwa nesiqu sayo. Ukwi-closet lo muntu lo. So oNgizwe ngamaqaba senqamdobowa anuka impepho esimenqeni engafuneka baniwa mamela. Not abantwana bangoku can't grow up in the same environment. I-endoswa nini nihamba nesineka apha. Nisinekela ububhanqa apho Ndizwe ekuthe ububhanqa. Eniyahleka nihamba nithi hyang. For what? La mfo makahamba ayozibuza yena kuqala, and inkwenkwe ke uNgizwe. Inkwenkwe uNgizwe. Ndiyayitsho. And nimxelele banditshilo ndathi inkwenkwe and uyazi ba uyinkwenkwe. Yilento esenza izinto. Akho ndoda iphathekileyo neqeqeshiweyo nefundisiweyo izinto ezenzisayo. Awukwazi ungena ku-internet, not kungoku kubulawa abantu kwenziwa zonke into ezenziwayo ungene ku-internet thetha bababhanqa. Nakaphila esikoleni namfo, if ufuna uphila esikoleni ayofunda i-biology ahambe afunde abe into something and make something of his life. And yekani lento kuhlala nesinekela ububhanqa ku-internet, you endorse ububhanqa nina. You only know i-pain nento obuhlungu xa i-affect abantwana benu. Not kule generation. Not kule generation. Ezo zinto could have flown ngexesha lethu. Not kule generation. Yekani ukendorse ububhanqa, nihamba nesineka apha nibunyuka ububhanqa. Homophobia is not funny. It is prejudice at its highest content. Sa yeke lanto ba ni tate ni fake prefixes till no. Yeke lonto. Nimcela uNgizwe ke ndithe inkwenkwe iyawuhlala imbuzane. Imbuzane iphelele ebulongweni.
Enye ke into ukuthi ngeke ngizwe ngani. Mina ngiyindawo nje bandla bengifuna ukusho lokho. Ngeke kuzwiwe ngani. Futhi ningenza ama black philp, niphalaze banifuna ukuphalaza, nindize banifuna ukundiza, nigijime nibaleke, nibhukude, nidle, niphalaze, nudle lo mphalazo. Angiyindawo niyabona. Ubuzulu aqalwa nginina ne. Kungavuka ngisho uShaka Zulu yena emathuneni engitshele lento eniyishoyo. Naye ke ngamtshela ukuthi uyangidakela ne. Ngoba ngeke ngizwe ngani, ngeke ngitshelwe yinina ukuthi ngingabcelebrate ukuba umZulu. Yeah, ngiyabonga.
Yeah, sanibona. Le video le is for queer people. If you're not queer, please ungadlula. Thank you. Guys, I cannot stress this enough. This is very serious. Take it serious. Angazi ngizoyichaza kanjani, but it's serious lento le. Right now, a war has just been declared. A war is serious, Professor Lentole. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's, I don't know. Just don't take it lightly. This hate that he this hate le ayikhombisa la on socials. Don't take it lightly. There is so many people, so many homophobes who've been waiting for just this. To them, this is permission to to do whatever to a queer person. Ngizwe kahle, I'm gonna say it again. He's just given permission to say you can kill, you can rape, you can anything that you want to a queer person right now. And quote me on this when I say this. Yabona, there's gonna be so many cases, and sizozo njengamanje ukuthi kwenze ukuthi usibanibani oqueer, usibanibani ogay, usibanibani ubule, usibanibani. I'm telling you, being a survivor of a gender-based violence, homophobic attack, I will tell you this. He's opened a gate to something that is, guys, this is serious. This is so serious. Ngicela nibe safe, please. I don't care about Ungizwe. I just see a stupid dick flying. I don't know. A stupid man. It's just, yeah. But into ayikhulumile. Ubulima loba bukhulumile. Because khona ilime ifana njengaye emhlabeni, khona ilime njengaye. That's the part that I'm worried about. That is the part that I'm worried about. Please be safe. Guys, be safe. Even when you go out now, and it's Pride Month. Again, I cannot stress this enough. A war has been declared. And this is serious. Ongizwile, onendlebe kuthiwa, yeah, if you have this, be very careful. Yeah.
Wena mkhulu okhohlakele, wena Ngizwe, wena mkhulu okhohlakele, lembhexe yomkhaba. Njengoba uyitshela ngazo ukuthi nje uma ukhuluma ngalezi zitaba nokhuluma ngazo, wena ngiyakubona ucabanga ukuthi uma ukhuluma ngetaba nokhuluma ngamantombazane. Ngiyakubona nje uma ukhuluma ngetaba ngathi ukhuluma ngamantombazane, ngathi nje thina sibona abafana, asizona insizwa. Sichama simile nathi ukuthi sikwenza ngasiphi izathu, awuhlangene nalokho wena. Sichama simile nathi. Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi sichama simile nathi. Uyitshela ukuthi nje wena yonke into ihamba ngendlela yakho. Earth doesn't revolve around you. So angazi njengoba utshela ukuthi lento ephezulu ekhekheni, awusiyona lento ephezulu ekhekheni wonke umuntu. Kulabo bantu ozwana nabo nalabo bantu laba bezwa ngawe, akusithina sonke sizwa ngawe. Kodwa ngiyakubona ukuthi njengoba uyitshela ukuthi nje wena njengoba nje ulokhu ukhuluma indaba ukuthi uyofika kuleyo mcimbi leyo, kuleyo mshado leyo, kuleyo mvunulo leyo uzobe uzoyilwela, ufike. Whenever you feel like coming to leyo mshado leyo, ufike. Ngoba ngiyakubona ucabanga ukuthi yonke into ihamba ngakusiyo umhlaba wakho lo. Kazubani wakutshela ukuthi uyinkosi yasa South Africa? Kazubani wakutshela ukuthi wena upresident wasa South Africa? Imvunulo akusiye yakho. Uzofa ufe wishiye lo mvunulo lokhu uyikhulumele ngathi yakho. Akusiye imvunulo yakho lena. Le mali okuboleka ngayo imvunulo noma le mali okuthenga ngayo imvunulo akusiye yakho. Musa ukubila mkhulu, usikhohlakala somkhulu. Musa ukubila, upaqile too much. Musa ukukhohlakala umdala. Musa ukukhohlakala sihlama senja. Uyitshela ukuthi yonke into engawe asizozwa ngawe. Itabane lezi bakhona abafana. Kazi ingane zakho lezi wena othi nawe njengoba uthi nezingane nje, kazi ingane zakho lezi zona ziyobanjani mhla zikutshela ukuthi nazo zingaphansi kwalento lena. Ngeze ikutshele manje ezikutshele kusasa, kodwa kuyovela nakuwena. Angifuni ukuyikhuluma yakho ngoba nawe uyabonakala endawo ethize neke kuyindawo ethize. Azokhohlakala umkhulu, azokhohlakala umkhulu. Kodwa kusalayo naleyo somizi lo okhuluma ngalo kumnemba lo somizi okhuluma ngayo, he's more feminine than you, your father, and also your forefathers combined.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Gay people are fuming ngemva kokuthi Ongizwe Mchunu aluke ndama message nema video laphana enkundleni yokuxhumana kakhulu kade TikTok athi abaqoshwa abathuka guys, ubathuka kabuhlungu kabi, and letinye into latikhulumako libhlungu ngendlela lesimanga letikhulunywa Ngizwe, and they are saying ukuthi They're not going anywhere. Bathi nje nabayindzawo. So la abanye laba labakhuluma kula video, some of them baku LGBTQ community, some are not, just bantu njena laba decide ukuthi baphawule mayelana nalendzaba. Ngisho ungizwe umchuna bona abantu bamthuka lapha etinkundleni zokuxhumana. Akayekeli ukubatshela ukuthi abahamba luka bathuka athi banuka sihlama. And bakwatile bayasho nje ukuthi they really need to take this matter serious because it's serious lento lena, and lokhu kubanga lidlame ebantwini be LGBT community. So bayasho nje ukuthi sesibuyela njani emuva ngathi sesilwe kangaka ukuthi samukeleke emphakathini. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.